patrons, what's your cleaning style? Are you a person who is guilty all the time and you don't actually do anything? Are you a person who overworks? Are you a person who is lazy? Are you a person who is a perfectionist? What's your cleaning style? I have had all kinds of cleaning styles in my mentoring. The biggest thing that I find, well, there are two main things that I find. One is they just don't do anything at all, or very little. Or two is that they overdo. They do too much. They work too hard. Here's the thing. You have a day to do a specific amount of things in, and that's all I want you to do. I want you to have a life, not a cleaning frenzy every day. It's not necessary. I know you think you need to catch up, but there is no catching up. You're just going to do it every day, every day, every day, and eventually your house is going to be clean. Okay, so if you are an overdoer, I want you, and you'll know that about yourself, I want you to sit back a little bit and say, okay, am I doing what Kat says to do in those daily videos? Am I doing just what she says to do that day? Now, some of you may have opted to do a project, and that's fine. But remember that the project is in place of the zone. So if you have chosen to do a project and you know what I'm talking about, then that is so that you can feel comfortable later doing your zones without this particular project worrying you. Your house is not going to fall apart if you don't do your zones. It isn't. There's no one in your house with a checkboard going, oh, she didn't do this and she didn't do this, and there's no one. It's you. So I want you to know that as long as you're doing your basic weekly plan, your weekly home blessing hour, your groceries, your desk day, your car and purse, your free day, your family day, and your renew your spirit day, and you're doing your weekly home blessing hour, your house is going to look okay. And you're going to do your 3 clutter checks a day to keep that clutter at bay. And you're going to inspect what you expect with your children. These sound like and, but they're very little things that we do. I don't want you to overwork. I want you to have time to do other things, to be who you are, to be with your children. I don't want you to overwork. And then the other one is that people just don't work. They just freeze up. Either they have anxiety and they just can't do a thing, or they just are lazy and they don't want to do it. Well, listen, nobody wants to do it, but I'm not asking you to do a lot. You'll know who you are, and I've said that already in this video, but I believe that you know who you are. You know if you're skipping, you know if you're fibbing to yourself. So I want you to do exactly what I say to do in those daily videos. Just go listen. Okay, so let's pretend that today is Tuesday and it's your free day. I want you to take a free day. You're just going to be doing routines today. No zone, nothing else, a free day. That's important. And then if it's a Wednesday and it's your planning and desk day, I want you to go work on your desk and your refrigerator and your menu and your bills. This is the day you do that. And if you do these things every single week, they'll get easier and easier. And then if you're working in your zone, I'm going to talk about what the zone is too. So you're going to work either 10 to 15 minutes in your zone, and that is it. If you have a project, you're not going to do the zones, and I don't talk about that in the dailies. Projects are not the norm, they're an exception, okay? So I just wanted to have a little chat with you about your cleaning style. I also don't want you to feel guilty, and guilty is just an unhealthy way to be. Don't let anyone else cause you to be guilty or make you feel guilty. No one can allow you to be guilty but you. And you're not guilty if you didn't do anything wrong. And if you're doing what I'm telling you to do, you're not doing a thing in this world that is wrong. All right, have a wonderful day. Remember that I love you, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful. Bye.